all right. Okay. Such Apple. Like, this is crazy. Look at this. Can you make out what exactly it is? Just by the packaging. Oh yes, you can. Ooh. Okay. Look at this. And there we are. Alrighty, Apple has made such crazy packaging now. Now I don't think there's much to do anything about this, because of course there is no charger and nothing, and just this is what it is. So let's just unbox it. Oof, that was good. Satisfying. Okay, here we are. Oh my god, look at this. This phone is crazy big. Freak. Oh yes. Oh, that was satisfying. Let's turn it on. Ooh. Sexy. This is insane. The welcome screen. That's crazy. Okay. Let's set it up.